So this is actually Elephant Nature Park. It is an elephant sanctuary in Chiang Mai, Thailand. It's not in the United States. It's an absolutely incredible place. I highly recommend visiting. You can volunteer for a week, 2 weeks, if you want to learn more information about them. Sorry, my hair. All the information about Elephant Nature Park, donating, how to volunteer, how to visit, is all in my link tree on my profile. It's an incredible place. They have over 5,000 rescued animals, not just elephants, dogs, cats, water buffalo, monkeys, rabbits. It's like an animal lover's paradise.